Hi, Jordan. Hi, do you want the thing I'm holding? Here. Got it. Yeah. Hey, big girls. What are you cooking?
I am making
Cheese?
tea.
Tea. Mmm. Carrie, what are you cooking? Are you gonna eat? Oops. Well, go eat what Maggie has. Go to Maggie. Can you pretend to give her a bite? Or a drink?
First I got to stir it all up.
Oh, I gotta stir it up. Okay. Quickly give her a drink, sweetie. She doesn't wait very good. She wants to put the lid on.
Give her a drink.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, there's one.